How to improve sales to your website by using simple but effective calls to actions. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to better promote your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. So if you are a serious entrepreneur, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and click that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a video that will help you to drive more sales to your products and services online. And also, if you're new here, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section down below. So in this video, I'm speaking about CTAs, also known as calls to actions. I want to break down what they are and how you can implement them effectively on your website to help you drive more sales to your products and services online. So essentially, a CTA, or a call to action, is when you actually tell your website visitors exactly what action you want them to take. Now, this is a common mistake that I see people not implementing on their website. Don't assume that your website visitors know exactly what action they should take when they arrive on your sales page, or maybe even an opt-in page on your website. Tell them exactly what you want them to do, whether that's to sign up to one of your free newsletter lists or to make a purchase of your product or your service. You will see websites such as Amazon and eBay using calls to actions on their buy now button. So for example, if you go to eBay, you might see buy now. And buy now is a really strong call to action that they utilize on their web pages. And this could be something that you utilize as well when you're creating your buy now buttons or your buy it buttons on your web page. Use that as an opportunity to tell your website visitors what action they should take, whether it's to sign up here, click here, buy now, add to cart. You want to make sure that you're utilizing that prominent space on your website to tell people exactly what they should do within your buy it now button. And that being said as well, you also want to make sure that your buy now button is really prominent on your website. Don't make it blend into the other colors on your website, but make it pop, make it stand out so that people know exactly where it is and it's attracting them to that particular button as well. But not only do you want to have a call to action on the button itself, but also in the text that leads up to wherever that call to action button is. So for example, when you're describing your product or your service or your sign up form, you want to tell people after you finish describing it, hey, click the link down below so you can purchase this product or purchase this service, or click the link down below to sign up for your free trial, or whatever it is you're trying to get them to do next. Make sure you're telling them within your text as well, and you're telling them, look, hey, the sign up button is down below, so make sure you go and you click that. So you're not just telling them what to do, but you're also telling them where to do it as well. You want to literally spell it out to people. The more you spell it out to people and give them instructions, the more likely they are actually to take that action. Now, a really great sales copy technique that you can utilize alongside your calls to actions is to use urgency. Now, urgency is when you say buy now before stock runs out, or buy now while the sale still lasts. If you can increase urgency by actually including something that makes, the product or the service seem like it's going to go away soon, or the offer is going to go away soon, then that encourages people to actually take action after they've clicked through and click that button. It encourages them to make that purchase even quicker. So you don't want people coming to your sales page and not making a buying decision right then and there. You want them to actually take action now, and by giving some sort of urgency, then you can help to do that. I also have videos on this channel on sales copy, what sales copy is, and how you can improve the sales copy to increase your sales on your web pages. So I'll leave some of those videos in the description down below. Make sure you check those out as well. But my final tip in this video is to make sure that you have multiple buy now buttons or call to action buttons on your web page if you have a lot of copy or sales copy or written text that describes your product or service, and people have to actually scroll down your page, then you might want to consider adding multiple buttons or multiple places where people can take the action to actually purchase a product. So you don't want to only have a buy now button on the top of your page, but then you have loads of descriptive work afterwards and people scroll down to read that, and then they have to scroll all the way back up again to actually make the purchase and to buy now. So you want to make it super easy, super seamless for people to make purchases from your sales pages. So make sure you give them multiple opportunities to do so. Now, again, this is not applicable if your sales page is quite short and it only needs one and people don't need to scroll down to read more about your product or service. But if you do have a long form sales letter or a long sales page, then you might want to consider adding multiple buttons to help improve your sales. So hopefully this video helped you to gain a better understanding of what calls to actions actually are and how you can implement them effectively for your website to improve your sales. I also speak in depth about how you can increase website traffic and conversions to help you improve sales in my absolutely free formula, which you see behind me. I'll also leave a link to it in the description down below, and it should be somewhere here on this screen as well. So make sure you grab your free copy of the formula on my website so you can drive consistent sales back to your products and services online. But I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Download the formula. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.